Let's see, what do we have here? OEG gapping down a little bit. Man, that candle, that 22% direction candle into the close. Oh man, so beautiful. Just look at it in intraday. Just look at this. Just look at this. If this isn't perfect, I don't know what is. Unfortunately, like, I would have preferred a gap up to 10, but yeah, like, you know, and look at the volume. Look at the volume, over 200 million. This thing traded more shares yesterday than it did in the previous 6 months, previous year. Insane. What are my ETFs doing? They're kinda doing much. Opening up break even, all right. BNTX still holding, still building higher lows. I mean, it's kind of needs to go soon, man. Look at this. You can draw a straight line. This one is opening break even. Beely, okay. I sized down on AGQ yesterday. I didn't like the close. Instead, I went heavily on well, not heavily, but I did, you know, decent position in NRG. Let's see. Zoom EP. I think you need to follow the instructions on the screen. You know, anyone who hasn't done it, anyone who hasn't spent at least 10 hours on my blog, you know, don't post. Just don't. We're running a tight ship here. Everyone needs to be on the same page. Holy shit, what's going on here? BCTX. What phase is BCTX? Is it phase 1? I can't figure it out. What stage is BCTX? Is it phase 1? Preclinical? No, it says clinical stage. BCTX buyout? Okay, no one has checked the news on BCTX. Am I the only one trying to figure it out? Am I the only one looking at it? Yeah, I know the PR. I read the PR. I'm trying to figure out what phase is is it phase 1, phase 2? Yeah, it's bullshit. It's probably bullshit.
Market is open.
It's a clinical stage, so it's not preclinical, I guess. All right, guys, good luck. Oh, it's an update. Well, okay. see what we get today. Amba can't get above the 100th day, that's not great. Looks like a lot of things are fading today. Well, BNTX has looked great on the hourly for the past 4 days. Nothing has changed, it just needs to break out and actually go. Trying my hand on this meme stock thingy on the long side. It's BB. I saw some data. BB has almost as much shadow as AMC, but it hasn't even made it close to as big of a move. Well, OEG was a disappointment. I thought it was gonna go to $10. Tesla looks like it's starting to roll over a bit here. Thanks for the compliment, but your logic is kind of stupid. Your logic makes no sense at all. It's like yeah, I know Russell is weak. We'll see how these things handle the weakness. That's the most important thing. I'm so disappointed in OEG. Such a disappointment. You know what, AMC, I'm thinking about going long this thing later if it flags intraday. I'm open to it. EMC is holding up better than BB. At the open, BB showed more strength. So that's why I went long that one also. Now it's lagging. Okay.
Executed. Rejected.
Yeah, I'm actively looking to add to Soxel. Maybe in a few days, when the 10-day has caught up a little bit. I would love to double my position in Soxel. It's SMH. It's just so strong. Nvidia and Roblox, what a bunch of beasts.
Executed.
AMC, sure, so strong. I think AMC could do something incredible. Go to like 100 or something. Maybe the Uber drivers are right. The TikTok analysts say it's gonna go to 100,000. You mean it's gonna be worth more than the FANG stocks put together? Yeah, sounds reasonable. Sure. $500K? You mean it's gonna be worth like half the half the US stock market? Okay, why not? Well, we've seen crazier things happen, right? And this is why shorting is such a dangerous game, because people don't believe things can happen, and then they happen, and then, you know, they blow up. You gotta be super flexible in your thinking. Well, I don't think AMC gonna be the next gold. But I think they could definitely use the cinemas to store gold. Absolutely. Now that almost every worthwhile movie is going direct to streaming, you know, they should diversify into, you know, being a warehouse. Look, at this point, I don't even care what the thesis is. If the TikTokers say it's gonna go up, it's gonna go up, because that's where the market stage we are in. Too bad BB stopped me out. It was stronger early on than AMC, so I thought that was gonna outperform, but nope. You gotta stay with the leader, not with a laggard.
Executed.
CCIV, I don't see anything here. He had a range breakout yesterday, but these type of bottom ones are not really my specialty. My specialty is buying stocks up 300% in the past few weeks. Taking out highs of the day, that's my specialty. Letterkenny? I don't know what Letterkenny is. I have to Google it. The fuck is that? Letterkenny? Sitcom? Got good IMDb ratings. You know what? Maybe I'll watch it. Oh shit, my cat just... Shut the fuck up, cat. Shut up. I'm streaming. Shut up. Shh. Sorry, I have to mute the mic.
Executed.
He doesn't like me being long AMC. Roaring kitty. Yeah. Roaring Kitty was GME though.
Executed.
AMC needs its own mascot. Well, except for AMC, there's not much for me to do here. So OEG pulled back the Rising 10 EMA. Too bad it couldn't gap. Instead of gapping down $1.50, or sorry, 50 cents, would have been nice if it gapped up instead. Oh well. AMC movement. You mean the cult of morons pumping it? Like anyone who's, you know, putting the crazy price targets on it and not admitting it, they're just pumping it. I mean, like, it's nothing cutting edge here we're talking about. It's a cinema chain. They were about to go bankrupt a year ago. Yeah, it's a career path. People just want to be part of a movement. I mean, people are just, I don't know, bored. They just want to be part of something big. That's how we get, you know, any type of movement. A lot of people get stuck into these fanatical stock cults. It's a new stock all the time. And they go so fanatical, they just cannot see. Like, they can't even put out the bull thesis on the table other than, oh, it's gonna go higher. That's literally their thesis. Yeah, there's like probably a few hundred hedge funds holding AMC. Exactly, they sold the same day. Just a self-reinforcing mechanism. I hope it does something like GME. It kind of reminds me a little bit about GME here. Stupid TC2000, I hate this candle thing. Fuck's sake. Wait, what's the button you can use? Hey, guys, what's the button? Is it control? No. Shift? Oh, it's shift. Wait, is it shift? You can scroll one day at a time? No. Stupid, man. Like, TC2000 is so pathetic. They should learn from TradingView. That's what happens when you have a bunch of 50 sitting in office. You get boomer software. Yeah, but I don't have that button. European keyboards don't have that button. Let's see here. But anyways, it's like this day on GME.
Hi, my name is...
Oh yeah, that's the key. Yeah, that was it. Yes. Left click spacebar. Wait. Yeah, yes, thanks. Yeah. This is the day on... Now obviously AMC is a miniature variant of this. But yeah, this is what the AMC looks like right now. It had a leg up, went sideways a bit, had another leg up, went sideways for 2 days, and then it gapped up. And another update. This is exactly what AMC looks like, but in a smaller format. Had a leg higher, went sideways for a week or two, had another leg higher, went sideways for 2 days, and now it's on this day 1. And pro tip guys, never short on day 1. How can you back? Are you trolling, alert follower 1286? Are you trolling? Like, short selling has been best ever over the past year. The moves we get, they're insane. It's like free money. GME was like free money. Laser, free money. CCIV. I don't remember if I shorted it. I didn't. Yeah, but that was a tricky one. Never gave a good entry. If you have to ask, don't do it. Yeah, QS was free money too. I was like half size on it. Long and short. Yeah, BNTX is lagging, unfortunately, but it's still holding up. I still think it's gonna make a big move. I mean, this thing is just... Look at how it's hanging out here at the highs. Building higher lows, getting tighter. BCTX. Oh man, these things are impossible to trade. Halt stocks. BNTX is a piece of garbage. What the fuck does that even mean? It looks great. It's like one of the best long setups out there right now. Like, I mean, guys, don't troll. Like, there's so much trolling going around. Yeah, BNTX is 5-star.
Executed.
Yeah, I don't know, like there's so many weird comments. So many people writing stuff that makes absolutely no sense. Oh, well, I guess, like I've said before, not being a moron is an edge. In Discord too? Yeah, I'm never in the Discord. I'm never there. Core, yeah, someone mentioned it yesterday. Core, no, sorry. I don't know, not my type of setup. Not my type of setup. Maybe it can work. Could work, yeah. Wouldn't it be nice if Elon tweeted about the AMC? Looks like my triple ETFs are doing overall really well, except for TNA, which is ironically my largest position, but that's fine, the other ones are doing really well. eSignal, I don't use eSignal much anymore. eSignal is great if you want to go back a lot and watch intraday charts like 5 minutes, 60 minutes, etc. That's where eSignal is great. And I also kind of have it as a backup, but you know, TradingView works as well for a backup. eBet, yeah, not really my type of setup. All right. So if we get another week or two of sideways in the major indices, that would be really good. Like, let the moving averages catch up a little bit. Nasdaq, SPYs, Russell, and then launch off of that, get a big move. Would be great. Doge, side, ways action, what? Let's see here. Doge, what's Doge doing? Oh, Doge is up 3 days in a row. Okay, didn't realize it bounced. It's holding up really well. What's Ethereum? No, sorry. HUSD doing? Okay, and BTC USD. Okay. If this is a decent more, is this the start, middle, or end? Your question makes no sense. If it's a decent rally, is it a decent rally? In some sectors, yes. Many sectors, no. Nothing compared to last year. Is this a start, middle, or end? Who knows? Only the market gods know if this is a start, middle, or end of a rally. It's not our job to know these things. We don't get paid to know these things ahead of time, because no one knows. Yeah, only the suits know. Yep, only the suits know. The suits are running the market. Well, actually, right now it's the TikTokers and the Uber drivers. U1, yeah, it had a great breakout setup yesterday. Oh man, beautiful. Look at this thing. Had a big previous trend. The stock went up almost 150%. Pulled back orderly, pulled back. Found support on the 10-day. And then broke out on volume. 5-star. Beautiful. Like this is called the small account edge. There's no things called such as small account challenge. It's called small account edge. There's so many moves like this. And look at this, it's up 33% in one day. ADR is 14%. You don't get moves like this on a low ADR stock. But in the micro and small cap space, you can find these moves like all the time. Beautiful. Why did no one mention it yesterday? Why does it get mentioned today? Yesterday was, you know, where you should have found it. Why a few more days of sideways? It looked 5-star. Look at how orderly, beautiful it looked. What tight. It bounced perfectly off the 10-day. Beautiful. $2.5. What has that anything to do with it? The dollar volume was more than 10 million. That's plenty for those of you with tiny accounts. That's plenty. That's plenty. How come you didn't short OEG? Look, if you follow, if you look guys, I'm gonna show you a life hack, guys. Do you see my mouse pointer? Do you see the text here? If you follow that link, there's a lot of information about the setups I trade. Okay, my short setups are very specific. Like, this is what we have to deal with. Like, if there was 10 people in here, I wouldn't mind, but we're like, what, 1,500? And after 3 months of being here, some people have still not followed the link. It's amazing. That's why most people fail at trading. This is the reason. Someone mentioned this IHT. That's a beautiful setup. Wow. ISNS is holding up. LEDs is holding up really well. U1. Yeah, anyone who bought the first candle would have gotten stopped out, but it gave you a second entry late in the day. It shook everyone out. Yesterday, if you bought the range break, because it took out the lows of the day, but it gave you a second entry later in the day. It found support, built another higher low in the 60-minute, and then it built higher lows for several hours before it broke out again. Just because a stock stops you out once doesn't mean the setup becomes invalid. I've said that like 50 times. Happens all the time. You get stopped out, and then you re-enter, and then it works. Sometimes you get stopped out 2 times, sometimes 3 times. That's not really a problem. The problem is not that you got stopped out. The problem is you didn't re-enter because the setup was still as good. That's the problem. Yes, Jim Roppel is absolutely right. That's the problem I'm having. That's the exact same problem. Now, I don't care about the market cap itself, because a lot of stocks with low market caps, like look at some BB for example, 5.7 billion market cap. I'm not sure the TC2000 numbers are correct. I'm gonna check MarketSmith. So yeah, 7 billion according to MarketSmith. But look at how liquid it is. It's one of the most liquid stocks in the world right now. Even though it's technically like a mid-cap. So I'm not really, I don't care about the market caps as much as the liquidity. Many times small cap stocks and mid cap stocks can trade more volume than the mega cap stocks. Like we're seeing that on AMC right now. It's like a small large cap in market capitalization. And definitely down here when it broke out of this base, it was like almost a mid cap. It was a mid cap stock and it was one of the most liquid stocks in the world. So defining your trades by market caps, it just doesn't make sense. You have to follow the liquidity. Well, the setup on Oracle is good, but what's the ADR? Like the setup itself looks almost 5-star. It's pretty much 5-star. But the ADR is really... Oh, AMC. No, sorry, BB. Starting to move. Man, can we get something crazy on these things? Can we get like a double till tomorrow? Whew, that would be something. Gush 4 days ago was a 5-star setup. I was looking at it. I never entered. I was looking at it. Yeah, 5-star. Definitely. Look, when I see when I see like literal morons running the market, that's where the big money is, guys. It's not where the boomers are running the market. It's when Wall Street bets and TikTokers are running the market. That's where, like GME, a quarter of all my lifetime profits came from within 1 month or so on 2 trades on this stock. That's where the big money is, in craziness. That's where the big money is. Like in crazy stuff. GEL? No. No. I see what you're seeing, nice consolidation, but it has no momentum. If anything, this is a laggard stock. Oh man, I'm getting excited. I haven't been this excited since like last week. Can we get some crazy stuff in these things? Like I haven't been this excited since OEG before the close yesterday, because I thought this thing was gonna go to $10 today. I'm a believer. I'm a believer. If they say AMC is gonna go to 100, look, it's a self-reinforcing mechanism. It's reflex. What is it called? Reflexivity? Wait. Yeah, reflexivity. Self-reinforcing effect of market sentiment. Fuck, I'm gonna get a TikTok and start pumping AMC. I'm gonna create an account. I'm gonna pump the shit out of this thing. I'm gonna put, hey guys, what's the highest market cap? Price target you've seen on TikTok? Like 100,000? I already have an account. Wait. Oh, fuck this. Oh yeah, I'm gonna make a TikTok. I did the TikTok. I need to just share it. So what's the highest price target? Hey. Oh. Guys, what you're about to witness is the highest price target for AMC so far. Hey, I can post the link here too. I posted it on Twitter.
Executed. Executed.
Yeah, I have the highest price target in the world on AMC right now. I'm holding the highest price target. I think I should put turn notifications off on TikTok. My phone is blowing up. I already have like 20 followers. What a there's some guy on TikTok has 100,000 share price target on AMC. Fucking bear. Up here. This stock AMC, it's gonna go to 2 million. I've done some extensive analysis. You'll see. Watch and learn. Hey, your local mall cop here. This stock AMC, it's gonna go to 2 million. I've done some extensive analysis. You'll see. Watch and learn. Hey, your local mall cop here. This stock AMC, it's gonna go to 2 million. I've done some extensive analysis. You'll see. Watch and learn.